A federal judge has partially blocked the Trump administration from banning the X marker by transgenders on passports. U.S. District Judge Julia Kobick backed a motion filed by the American Civil Liberties Union for a preliminary injunction. This means U.S. President Donald Trump's order will be stayed while the lawsuit plays out. The State Department is directed to allow 6 transgender and non-binary plaintiffs to obtain passports with sex designations consistent with their gender identity. The executive order and the passport policy on their face classify passport applicants on the basis of sex and thus must be reviewed under intermediate judicial scrutiny, Kobick wrote. That standard requires the government to demonstrate that its actions are substantially related to an important governmental interest. The government has failed to meet this standard. Kobick also said plaintiffs have shown they would succeed in demonstrating that the new passport policy and executive order are based on irrational prejudice toward transgender Americans, and therefore offend our nation's constitutional commitment to equal protection for all Americans. Trump signed an executive order in January designating only biological genders, male and female, as the legal options for marking sex on documents. The ACLU sued the Trump administration, stating the new policy would effectively mean transgender, non-binary, and intersex Americans could not get an accurate passport. ACLU plans to file a motion requesting the ruling be applied to all transgender and non-binary Americans. In response to the lawsuit, the Trump administration argued the passport policy change does not violate the equal protection guarantees of the Constitution. They also contended that the president has broad discretion in setting passport policy and that plaintiffs would not be harmed by the policy since they are still free to travel abroad.